Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to do a fun experiment called Rainbow Walkway, and I think it's a really neat experiment. So what you're going to need, if you have them around at your house, if you do not, don't worry, you can always just follow along with this video, but you're going to need a couple of things. The first thing you're going to need is food coloring. So you want to have at least the red, the blue, the yellow. You don't need the green. You're going to want at least 7 paper towels, some water, and 7 cups. Now they can be 7 clear cups like this, some 7 cups that you have at home that are water cups. I just chose the clear cups. All right, go get your supplies and we'll begin. Okay, so what I've done is I've lined my cups up, put all 7 up, just like that. And now what I've done is I've put on in the first cup red food coloring. This cup I left empty. The next cup I put yellow food coloring. I left the next cup empty. The next cup after that is blue food coloring, and again I left this cup empty, and the very last cup in the end is red again. Okay, so I'm going to have my assistant pour the water into each cup. All the way to the top. So there's the red.
Ow, it burnt my hand.
Okay, so now that our cups are all filled with water, again, every other cup has water in it. So again, this cup is red, there's nothing in this cup. This cup is yellow, nothing in this cup. Blue, nothing in this cup. And then we're gonna end with red again. All right, so my assistant is going to put the paper towels into the cups. Watch along.
Just like that?
Just like that. If you notice already that the red food coloring is already being absorbed by my paper towel. So we're gonna do this with all the rest of them.
Wait, do I put it here?
Just like that.
Okay.
We're going to continue. Now we put a paper towel into each one. Kind of looks like a caterpillar. So we have paper towel going from the red cup into the empty cup, then one from the yellow cup going into the empty cup, and both directions, and so on and so forth. So we're going to let this sit for a little while, and we're going to come back and we're going to observe and see what happens. So we left this out for a few hours and we came back, and as you can see, we have the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And if you remember, in the beginning part of our video, this cup, and this cup were completely empty. And what happened was the water absorbed through the paper towel, traveled along the paper towel and into the cup, and began to fill the cup. It's kind of like what a plant does. When a plant sucks up water from the roots, is from the ground, sucks up water through the roots and brings it to all the other parts of the plant. So this is kind of like the same way water travels up a plant. So as you can see, I let these sit overnight a little bit, and if you notice that the water that was in these cups right here absorbed and traveled and went and deposited into the cups that were empty. So now when the red and the yellow water mixed and combined, it formed orange. When the yellow and blue cup mixed, it formed the color green. And when the red on the end and this blue formed, it made purple. So we have the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And if we were to start the pattern over again, we have red again.